Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The CM Williams VIX Fix Indicator by Larry Williams is a powerful technical trading indicator that can help traders find market bottoms. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword CM Williams VIX Fix under the Community Scripts folder. As we can see, here are lists of CM Williams VIX Fix indicators. Select the CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottom version by Chris Moody. Here's the CM Williams VIX Fix indicator at the bottom of our trading chart. Visually, this trading indicator looks like the Mark D. But the only visual difference from the Mark D is the absence of histograms at the bottom CM Williams VIX Fix indicator here. As the name implies, the CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottom indicator is an indicator that tends to find possible reversal points at market bottoms. Here are the parameter settings of the indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. As we can see, the indicator scale value runs from 0.000 to 4.000. How can we use the CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottom indicator to detect trade setups in the market? There are two main ways to implement this indicator for trade opportunities in the market. The first option is through the use of the green histogram on this indicator to detect potential market bottoms which may lead to bullish swings. The second option is through the divergence system to generate buy and sell signals. Let me show you how to use the green histogram on this indicator to generate buy entry in the market. As we can see on the price chart, whenever price makes a market bottom, that's a swing low, if the indicator forms a green histogram bar, it usually results in a bullish swing of price. We can see on the indicator how the green histogram formation resulted in the bullish swing of price here. Here is another bullish rejection upward after the formation of the green histogram. In order to avoid false trade entry signals with this trading indicator, avoid using it to trade choppy markets and markets without volume. To be on the safer side, this indicator gives a higher winning possibility if the green histogram formation at each market bottom is combined with price action candlestick. At the low swing here, we can see the formation of a morning star confirm the green histogram formation. Here, a bullish outside bar confirmed the bullish swing. Unfortunately, the indicator green histogram bar functions only for detecting buy setups in the market. Now, let's see how the divergence system of the CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottom indicator can be used to detect buy and sell trade setups in the market. Divergence simply means the opposite swing of direction between price and indicator. As we can see on the price chart, there is a low here, and here comes the second higher low. On the indicator histogram, we can see how the second top here formed a hidden bullish divergence. The second top here should have swung upward as a higher high, but instead it swung to form a lower high. We can see how it led price into a bullish move. Also, as we can see on the price top here, price made a strong bullish trend upward. On the indicator histogram, we can see how it formed a lower high here. The histogram indicator swung opposite to the direction of the price chart. Let's search for another divergence system on the indicator. Here's another top on this price chart. On the indicator histogram here, we can see how the swing was opposite to the upward swing on the price chart. This transformation results in a bearish move on the price chart. Here's another top on the price chart here, in relation to the histogram swing here. we can see how the indicator formed a lower high. The CM Williams VIX Fix Finds Market Bottom indicator is a simple and powerful indicator that can help traders to spot points of reversal in the market. Remember, these trading indicator signals become more reliable if paired with strong price action candlesticks on the trading chart.